What I did not like about my previous kitchen. The stove was ancient. I had no counter space. I had a big wall oven over here, a high bar here. There were mirrors all the way around. It was horrible. It really was. I don't know why I waited so long to get it redone. It didn't work for me. And I wanted to change it probably for 20 years, 15 years. And I'm bad about not fixing something unless it breaks. So it never broke. I didn't enjoy cooking, but I got used to the idiosyncrasies of the stove and, made it work. But, but having a new one, now I say, why didn't I do this a whole lot earlier? I retired maybe 4 years ago, and I just decided I could spend the money to do it. So that's why I did it. And I called a couple of people for estimates, and you guys spent the most time with me, and everything came in within budget, and it was perfect. I needed a new kitchen. I wanted one. I use it a lot. I will have to say my husband doesn't help me as much cooking, but I do love cooking in this new kitchen, and I cook more. I'm not a bold person or heavy colors and stuff. I like kind of neutral and timeless, and you could put several different colors to this kitchen and brighten it up if you wanted to. I like it. I love it. During the holidays, I hosted my family just 3 days ago, and what I absolutely love about this kitchen is this long counter space over here. It's the perfect buffet. And plus I've got so much counter space now. I can put some decorations out if I want to, but hosting my family, I've done it twice. I did it right after the remodel was finished, and then I did it, like I said, this past weekend, and it was great. It was absolutely great. So, and I had a lot of cabinets in my old kitchen, but I probably have at least a third more. And I got empty spaces now. So they ooh and ah when they come here. So yeah, I probably have the best hosting kitchen of all of my siblings. Yeah, I know I do. I know I do.